how's it going? Welcome back. Another episode
of Something New with GG&BOO.
So to all of you out there with the Something New crew, we have something new for you.
So it has been done before by many YouTubers. So we thought, why not?
We tried.
It's
our own version. It's definitely not the biggest, but to us, it's gonna be the best. So we hope you guys enjoy it.
Well, for us, it's gonna be the biggest we've ever
seen.
So ever seen it? Technically.
So Gigi, what are we doing?
So we are doing a DIY of McDonald's chicken nuggets and French fries.
Nuggets. But the catch is, our nuggets are gonna be this big, and our French fries are gonna be this big. Well, we hope you get it. You get what I'm saying. Yeah. So stay freaking tuned as we continue. Right now, we're gonna go for a short break. We're gonna cut the screen out. You get what I'm saying, and we're gonna start it. So
stay tuned.
Bang! You're gonna see all the steps we do. We'll probably only show you one, maybe not two, because it's gonna be a long process. But you will see it. Okay? The first thing we're gonna do is we have ground chicken here, and
we have about 4 of these.
4 packs. Sadly, for some reason, HEB just wasn't having it, and they don't sell the big pack of ground chicken. We were looking to get like a major pack so we can go much bigger with the chicken nuggets, but then we understood that our oven there, it's freaking tiny.
Yeah, mind you guys, many of our followers and subscribers know we live in a camper.
Yep,
so
we live in a camper. So unfortunately, we can't do as big as a lot of other people out there, but we're gonna do it as big as GG&BOO can do it.
It's the biggest we've ever seen.
Yes,
us, like physically here, because on YouTube we have seen them, and ever made ourselves.
Yes. So we're gonna right now take out the meat and season it.
Let me take off my ring.
Yeah, please do. So we're gonna take out the meat from their packages, and then we're gonna season it. And then from season it, we're gonna bake it in the oven to cook the meat. Pretty much.
Put it down.
Go lay your booty down. To pretty much cook majority of the meat before we make its batter, and then from the batter, we're gonna give it a light, crispy fry to form the actual chicken nugget. And during the meantime of all of that, we're also gonna do the homemade French fries, about yay big if we can get it that big. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Break by the time I put it in the...
No, you bake it. It's going to be like a chicken meatloaf.
Oh, duh.
Then you dip it in your batter.
I get it.
So, guys, finished product.
Look at my little boo. Is that perfect, Bubba?
That's the first step to the chicken nugget. We're going to put this one in the oven and start the second one.
Don't forget, I have my jalapeno. Huh?
So, normally we eat the potatoes with the skin on, but I'm gonna peel it for this.
What?
Yeah, you have to peel it. McDonald's don't leave their skin on. So, I'm gonna peel it while she's doing that. That's chicken nugget number 2. I'm gonna put this in the oven. She's gonna wash her hands. And we're gonna cut it right here because we don't want to bore you with the potato peeling. I'm gonna finish peeling these potatoes right here in front of us, right here, and I'm gonna put them to boil. right there. And when the potatoes are done and the first stage of the chicken nuggets are done and we start to make our batter, we'll see you guys soon. So, and about 3, 2, 1. Babezo. So potatoes are almost done. The chicken's first stage is almost done. Now we're gonna create the lovely, crispy, because remember, it's not like regular breadcrumbs on a chicken nugget. It's a light, fluffy, crispy batter, most likely, for like a McDonald's chicken nugget. So GG here is gonna create your, not identical, but pretty much your McDonald's batter.
I'm just throwing stuff in here, so I don't know.
She knows. Otherwise, she wouldn't be doing it.
I don't know the measurements, so I'm just gonna.
Yeah. Aside from that, but check it out. So first, she grabs and has the all-purpose flour. She's gonna add it. Just dump the bag.
I'm not dumping the whole bag. You crazy?
You're gonna need the whole bag. Trust me.
I'm not doing the whole bag.
You're gonna need the whole bag.
I'm not doing the whole bag.
You're gonna need the whole bag.
I'm not doing the whole bag.
That's not enough. That's not enough. Poquitos más.
What if I throw it at you? Like I just, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't make me. I will do it.
So, next she's gonna add cornstarch. How much are you supposed to add to that? Okay, we don't know, but we're gonna just go for it. I guess just do it even through the center. Okay, I'm gonna say that.
Jim, like, well, you don't know. Yeah,
Chill,
I don't know.
dude. I don't even know anymore, bro. See, now I barely know what that is, and she put it everywhere.
I don't know what cornstarch is, but okay.
Next is gonna be sugar.
It's sugar.
Sugar. That definitely seems like way too much sugar. But okay. After the sugar, we're gonna go with a little bit of baking soda. You're not gonna want to put a lot of that. It tastes like
Caca. I know.
Yeah, what she said.
Okay.
That's good. Karmasen, por favor. Now she's gonna add her spices. Or seasonings, not so much spices.
Salt. Like I said, this is just our way of, I guess,
doing our own kind of batter. It's gonna replicate. It's gonna replicate the McDonald's batter.
Hopefully it does.
In our kind of way. She's putting pepper. So you have salt and pepper. And she's gonna put the paprika.
Paprika.
After she applies the paprika, she's gonna do her own personal heritage seasoning, the last seasoning to this, and
Ya tú sabes, you know.
Oh yeah! What up? I didn't say it. I didn't say it. There's your adobo.
Ooh, I got that in my
And now, you have your aguas.
No, you put the huevos.
El huevos. So,
Huevos first.
No. I gotta do something.
1 second. I'm gonna get my little swish.
So, ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now you talk. She ain't quite got it down. So we put 3 eggs. But it's okay. She was instructed to not open her mouth this entire time. But now I'm just playing. And now last but not least, her 2 cups of water, which I think is excessive much. So don't put that whole thing. That's good, and then we're gonna mix it up. So she put roughly about a cup of water and left a cup in here. And this hopefully becomes a batter that the batter that comes to the chicken nuggets. The chicken nuggets. I'm gonna add some more water. Louise, mac and cheese.
You put a lot of water in here.
You know what, guys? I'll help you out.
All right, guys. So
that's what the batter looking like. So we have our nugget batter. Everybody. The batter's complete. Now we're just waiting on maybe 10 minutes or so for the nuggets to come out, and about 5 to 10 minutes for the potatoes to be primed and ready to be smashed up and shaped into our fries. So stay tuned. It's gonna be super epic. Super epic. I mean super epic. So we're back. Potato smashing time. We're hoping to do at least 2 to 3 French fries.
Hi, welcome back. We're at malfunction. He just put it in the fridge right now, and he's getting ready to take out one of the chicken nuggets. See how they look. You know, I don't know. I haven't taken one out yet, so we shall see.
Put this moist rag here, just a moist rag, so it
Why would you show that rag?
It's alright, it's an old rag. It's clearly clean, but just so the table doesn't get burnt up.
You should have definitely left a little bit more.
Hell no. Stop saying.
Just because I like my chicken dark.
Look at that. Your chicken's not going to be dark. It's going to be wrapped and fried. And it's still got to get fried. You're going to burn it if it's cooked all the way down.
I'm not going to lie. I can smell all the seasonings.
And it smells magnifico.
People be like, what do you mean? I never seen a chicken nugget with cilantro. Not cilantro, sorry. Parsley. Italian seasonings. But it's alright. Like I said.
It's ours.
Is our way of making it.
So, right
I like
here,
seasonings.
This is the chicken nugget.
Should we leave it like to cool down just a little bit?
Absolutely. So guys, you seen the chicken nugget. It's gonna go into the batter next for phase 2. We're just gonna let it cool down a little bit. So we'll bring you back when they're both ready, and when the French fries are ready to be made. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys.
Yay! So the papas is ready. We're gonna try our best to make 3 papas aquí. Now we're gonna try our best to make 3 French fries right here. So
I'm gonna burn my hands. I can just see it.
they seem to be majority
Right.
of it cool. And no, we're not gonna wear gloves because we're eating it. We know we wash our own hands. Okay, so that answers that. Ready?
He said that because I said I wanted gloves.
And I said, for what? You done touched everything else. Jeez Louise.
Get out! You're in my way.
That papas is too long.
Can you stop being picky? It's a freaking French fry.
It's not gonna fit in the pan. Not about being picky. Jeez Louise. Ah, you ripped my freaking French fry, homie.
Obviously, you're in my way.
Homie. You have done taken this too far.
Trying try to just let me do the French fries. I don't need your help.
You see how the chicken nuggets came out? Thank the Lord, I was supervising you.
Oh, shut up.
So guys, we're back and we finished the fries. Sorry, our camera died on you. It's charged now. We're gonna show you the fries. Everything's done, by the way. Check it out. She's gonna present the fries. So here's the fries. This was the pathetic one she decided to make, but here's the 3 magnificent fries. There's some angle to it. Yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you guys one of the chicken nuggets. The other chicken nugget. Batter. Now we're going to show you the batter. This is the batter. Batter. So put the batter right here. You have to hold it. You have gloves so you can go to change. So now GG is going to proceed. Sorry guys, camera complications. We don't have a camera guy, as you can imagine. Here's the batter. GG is going to proceed to take one of the nuggets, put it here, flip it.
Wow, it's pretty. Look at this.
That's a nice nugget, man. It's a nice nugget. Let's dip it in. And we have the fryer already ready. Stick that sucker in. And then we flip it over. Suction cup.
Seriously. It's definitely like a suction cup.
Now pick it up very slowly.
1 second. I'm just trying to get it all in there like swimwear.
Now y'all can see the magnificent drenched nugget. I'm gonna follow her over the fryer. Hold on guys, I got you. I got you. Anybody want to volunteer for cameraman? Let us know. We're down. We're down. You can eat as many chicken nuggets as you want. And now she's gonna proceed to dip it in the fryer. This way, this way, this way. And that's frying. Now, we're gonna let that fry for a few minutes or so. And as you see, it's right here, it's frying. Then we're gonna give it a flip after it's a nice golden color, hopefully. And then we're gonna proceed to dip the second nugget in the batter. Let that fry. Show you guys a freaking finished product. Live. Then we're gonna do the French fries. Then show you the finished product.
Am I grabbing the other one or not yet? So guys, it is frying, and I'm not gonna lie, I just told Boo, I'm like, you know, it really does smell like a chicken nugget. So I guess that's a positive thing, because it really does smell like a chicken nugget.
Yeah, it's actually pretty phenomenal. It literally identically smells like a freaking McDonald's chicken nugget.
It smells good. Like, for real.
I'm excited to bite this thing. Super excited.
All I'm missing is some sweet and sour sauce, you know what I'm saying?
A full freaking McDonald's nugget. Look at that. That is that's crunchy. That is crunchy. So now GG's gonna attempt to put the second one in. I'm gonna pay a little bit more close attention. Hold on. Come on. It's alright. You need to clean all of that up. Move.
I'm just trying to have all the extra.
No, then it's gonna do bubbles in the skin. I told you you're gonna make way more than we needed.
It's alright.
Like guys, I'm so excited. Like you cannot understand how freaking excited I am. Look at this. Look at this. That's a freaking McDonald's chicken nugget. Look! Look! That's crazy. Crazy. So after this nugget's done, we're actually gonna put the French fries in.
No, leave it there. It's not not done yet.
It's already brown. What did I tell you?
That's...
Oh, I got burnt like 10 times. Aha! Ow!
Just leave it alone for just.
No, that one got burnt a little, and I don't want it to be burnt at all.
You could just show the other side.
Sorry. Keep a bunch of malfunctions. And I'm gonna pull this one up.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it looks pretty dumb.
Just leave it there for a little bit.
10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. Did you clear to explain while I take this up?
So we're about to put the French fries in the fryer. It's not really a fryer.
It is, guys. Look at this beauty.
Look at that.
Look at that beauty.
I think you should leave it just a little bit
No,
more.
no, that's done. Trust me. It's falling apart too. So there's the second chicken nugget, guys. So Gigi's gonna continue explaining. I'm gonna actually put these in.
There you go.
What I need that for?
So Boo is going to be putting the first French fry, the Godzilla. Is that Godzilla? Yeah. The Godzilla one to the fryer.
I'm gonna put mini me. Mini Godzilla. So the French fries hopefully come out well. As you guys can see here, I'm gonna lightly move this so nothing messes up. Look at this. Those are freaking McDonald's chicken nuggets bigger than my hand. Bigger than my hand. Hey, that's what they're gonna flip. What are you doing?
Yeah, I know. I'm just.
She wanted to be Betty freaking Crocker today. And now the French fries are in. Stop that. Stop that.
Why?
Because you're cooking this one faster than the other one. Cocker. So guys, this has by far been one of the funnest experiments we've done. Like, this is pretty cool. Assuming the French fries come out well, the chicken nuggets we're pretty proud of. They look pretty freaking good, and they look pretty like they match like a chicken nugget from McDonald's. So that was the flap I was talking about. That you kept putting extra on top.
I get what you're saying.
So it's pretty freaking amazing. Janelle's just here playing with this flap because I told her not to keep adding extra on top, and she added extra on top. And now that's what it came out to. You can see the little flap. But we're still cooking the French fries. And we have these two behemoths next. And the meal shall be done. Whoop, whoop. So I'm actually not going to give you the chance to see it done before it's done. So we'll be back with you when it's done for the finished product. Stay freaking tuned. All right.
So.
Yeah. So the fries didn't come out as well. It was definitely an epic fail. The other two just like disintegrated. So there's GG with her burnt side of the nugget. I don't know why she's showing the burnt side, but there you go. She's actually gonna take a dip in the barbecue sauce and take the first bite.
I want the boot, so. Wait, I need a little bit more.
But turn it like this so you can see it. First nugget bite, how was it?
It feels good though.
I want to give me a bite. Wow. It really does taste like McDonald's chicken nugget.
It feels really good.
Times 10. Holy niggles. So, good luck though. Good luck though. I gotta keep showing us up. These are horrible. So guys, we're gonna enjoy this massive nugget.
I just had to do it again.
I want to know about too.
It's so good. It's so good.
We're gonna enjoy this massive nugget. We're not eating these. No way. They're like soaked with grease. We're okay. But stay tuned to the next episode.
I'm GG&BOO.
Boom! So always stay true to the Something New crew all the time. Always likes, comment, subscribe. You got ideas for our next videos or whatever, let us know. And we'll see you guys very soon.
Thank you so much, guys. We love you.